Hi, welcome to the special edition of Zach's Dirt Bike Life. Today you will see some highlights from our epic journey over Mount Joseph, climbing 1800 metres, riding along a ridge and dropping down 800 metres on a shingle scree to the Fork Stream and the Forks Hut. Hope you enjoy it.
We have arrived at Glenmore station from Lake Alexandrina. We have just spoken to Will Murray about the ride we are doing today over Mount Joseph and down the Fork Stream. We have done this ride several times before from Braemar Road and over the back of Lake Alexandrina, but this ride was a whole new level of difficulty. This hill is a lot steeper than it looks. Eventually we got the bikes up the hill by both of us pushing them up. We have come 30 kilometres up Mount Joseph and reached the ridge at the edge of this shingle scree. We are past the point of no return and must go down. The drop down the scree is around 800 metres at a 60 to 70 degree gradient. We never thought it would be as difficult as this. need a wee break. Oh. Bugger. Okay. Yeah.
If I get too far away from you, tell us to yell stop. So I get that too far away from you again.
Yeah.
Right? Just steer straight down the hill and get tucked right in here.
Yeah.
Okay? I hope you get the block up. Okay. Oh, push it right over. Push it right over. Push it right over. Stop it. Okay. Should we go back up?
I wish.
Oh, wait, you can take your bike. I'll get this down.
Are you fine getting it up?
Yeah, I can get up from the side easy.
After around an hour, we got down to the bottom of the shingle scree and to the Forks Hatch. We had lunch and went upstream to have a swim. Here is the shot of the shingle scree itself.
That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed the footage. This was our toughest ride to date, and thanks to Braemar and Glenmore Station for allowing us to do the ride. This was a once in a lifetime experience. See you next time.